Welcome to today's woodworking and home decor inspiration video. If you love working with wood, creating beautiful handmade decorations, and transforming simple materials into something useful and stylish, you are in the right place. In this video, we are exploring easy woodworking projects that can bring warmth, personality, and natural beauty into your home without requiring complicated tools or advanced woodworking skills. Whether you are a beginner who is just discovering the joy of woodworking or an experienced woodworker looking for simple projects to make during your free time, these DIY ideas can give you plenty of inspiration. One of the most wonderful things about woodworking is that even a small piece of leftover wood can become a beautiful decoration. Instead of throwing away scrap boards, old wooden pieces, or unused materials, you can give them a new purpose and create something unique for your home. So, get comfortable. Prepare your imagination, and let's begin this creative woodworking journey together. Easy woodworking projects are a fantastic way to combine creativity with practical home decoration. You do not always need expensive materials or professional equipment to create something attractive. Sometimes a few pieces of wood, sandpaper, wood glue, screws, a measuring tool, and a simple saw can be enough to begin. The first step in any woodworking project is choosing the right material. You can use pine, plywood, reclaimed wood, pallet wood, hardwood scraps, or other safe and suitable wooden pieces depending on the project. If you are using reclaimed wood, carefully inspect it before working with it. Remove nails, staples, dirt, and damaged sections, and make sure the wood is suitable for indoor decoration. After selecting your wood, measure your desired dimensions carefully. Good measurements are important because even a simple project looks much more professional when the pieces fit together correctly. Take your time during preparation because careful planning can make the actual construction much easier. One of the easiest projects for beginners is a simple wooden wall shelf. A small floating-style shelf can add useful storage and decorative space to almost any room. You can make a shelf for a bedroom, living room, kitchen, hallway, bathroom, or workspace. Start with a wooden board of the size you need and smooth the surface using sandpaper. You can leave the natural wood color visible, apply a clear finish, or paint the shelf to match your room. A simple shelf can become much more interesting when you add a contrasting back panel, small decorative brackets, or a rustic finish. Once installed securely, the shelf can hold small plants, books, candles, picture frames, handmade decorations, or other lightweight items. This project is especially useful for woodworkers because it is simple enough for beginners while still offering many opportunities for creativity. Another wonderful DIY project is a wooden picture frame. Instead of buying a standard frame from a store, you can create one from small pieces of wood and customize it according to your style. You can make a clean modern frame using smooth, straight boards, or create a rustic frame using reclaimed wood with visible grain and natural imperfections. The beauty of handmade frames is that every piece can look different. You can stain the wood in a warm brown tone, paint it white for a farmhouse appearance, or leave it natural for a Scandinavian-inspired style. You can also experiment with different wood widths and corner designs. A handmade wooden frame can be used for family photographs, artwork, inspirational quotes, or even a mirror. When several frames are combined on a wall, they can create an attractive gallery arrangement that gives your home a warm and personal atmosphere. For another easy project, consider making a wooden candle holder. Candle holders are small, simple, and excellent projects for using leftover pieces of wood. A short piece of thick wood can be transformed into a beautiful centerpiece with a few carefully drilled openings for candles. Sand the surface thoroughly and soften the edges to create a comfortable, finished appearance. You can keep the wood natural or apply a decorative finish. A candle holder made from reclaimed wood can look especially beautiful on a dining table, coffee table, shelf, or bedroom nightstand. However, always consider fire safety when using real candles. Keep flames away from wood surfaces and flammable decorations, or use battery-operated LED candles for a safer decorative option. Wooden plant stands are another excellent choice for home decor. Plants and natural wood work beautifully together because both bring an organic feeling into an interior. A simple plant stand can be constructed from a few wooden pieces joined together to create a small raised platform. You can make one stand for a single plant or create a larger design that displays several plants at different heights. A natural wood finish can create a calm and earthy appearance, while a painted design can add a modern decorative touch. Small plant stands can be used beside windows, near sofas, in entryways, or on balconies and covered outdoor areas where appropriate. If you enjoy woodworking and gardening, this project can be especially satisfying because you are creating something that directly supports another creative hobby. Another beginner-friendly idea is a wooden coat rack. A simple wooden board combined with decorative hooks can become a practical and attractive addition to an entryway. Begin by sanding a board until the surface is smooth. Depending on your style, you can use a natural finish, stain, paint, or a combination of finishes. After deciding where the hooks should be placed, mark their positions carefully and attach them securely. You can personalize the coat rack by adding carved details, engraved words, small wooden shapes, or contrasting colors. A handmade coat rack can help organize jackets, hats, bags, and keys while also becoming a decorative feature near the entrance of your home. If you have many small pieces of leftover wood, do not throw them away because they can become beautiful geometric wall art. This is one of the most creative ways to use scrap wood. Cut pieces into different lengths and shapes, then arrange them into a geometric composition. You can create triangles, squares, rectangles, diagonal patterns, or abstract arrangements. Before permanently attaching the pieces, place them on a flat surface and experiment with different layouts. Once you find a design you like, attach the pieces securely to a wooden backing or directly according to the chosen construction method. Sanding and finishing the pieces can create a polished appearance. You can use one color for a minimalist design or combine several natural wood tones for more visual depth. This type of artwork is perfect for a living room, bedroom, office, hallway, or creative workspace. A small wooden key holder is another practical project that can be completed with minimal materials. A narrow piece of wood can become the base, while a few hooks provide space for keys. You can make the design simple and modern or decorate it with rustic details. Adding a small shelf above the hooks can make the project even more useful because it provides a place for small items such as sunglasses, wallets, or decorative objects. This is a great project for beginners because it teaches basic measuring, sanding, drilling, and hardware installation skills while producing something useful for everyday life. Wooden trays are also excellent DIY projects for home decor. A simple tray can be made from a flat wooden base with small side pieces attached around the edges. Once assembled, the tray can be sanded and finished beautifully. You can use it to serve food, organize decorative items, display candles, or arrange small plants. A rustic wooden tray can look wonderful on a coffee table, while a smooth painted tray can fit a modern interior. You can also personalize it by adding handles, engraved designs, or a contrasting interior surface. When making functional woodworking projects such as trays, remember to choose an appropriate finish if the surface will come into contact with food. For woodworkers who enjoy rustic designs, reclaimed wood signs can be a wonderful creative project. Old boards often have interesting textures, knots, marks, and natural colors that make them perfect for decorative signs. After cleaning and lightly sanding the wood, you can add a simple word, phrase, number, or decorative symbol. Hand-painted lettering can create a charming handmade appearance, while stencils can help produce cleaner results. A wooden sign can welcome guests near the front door, decorate a kitchen, personalize a bedroom, or add character to a workshop. The imperfections of reclaimed wood can actually become part of the design, giving every sign a unique personality. Another simple project is a wooden phone or tablet stand. A small piece of wood can be shaped with a slot that holds a phone or tablet at a comfortable viewing angle. This can be useful on a desk, kitchen counter, bedside table, or workshop. The design can remain very simple, but sanding the edges carefully and applying a nice finish can make the final product look professional. You can also create matching stands for multiple devices or personalize the surface with a small engraved design. If you want to create something more decorative, consider making a wooden sunburst wall decoration. This project can be created from small wooden strips arranged around a central circle or another decorative shape. Different lengths of wood can create a dynamic pattern that resembles rays of sunlight. The pieces can be left in different natural tones, stained in complementary colors, or painted for a bold, modern effect. Before attaching everything permanently, experiment with the arrangement until the shape looks balanced. This project demonstrates how simple pieces of wood can be transformed into impressive wall art through creative arrangement. Wooden wall planters are another excellent way to combine woodworking and home decoration. A small wooden box or frame can be attached to the wall and used to display suitable small plants. These designs can be especially attractive when combined with natural wood and greenery. You can make several matching wall planters and arrange them in a pattern to create a living wall feature. Be sure to protect the wood appropriately from moisture and use suitable containers when necessary so water does not damage the wooden structure. One of the most important skills in easy woodworking is learning how to make simple materials look finished and professional. Sanding is often the difference between a rough-looking project and a beautiful one. Start with an appropriate coarse or medium sandpaper when necessary and gradually move toward a finer grit to create a smoother surface. Pay attention to corners and edges because sharp or rough edges can make a project look unfinished. Once the surface is smooth, remove dust before applying paint, stain, oil, or another appropriate finish. The finish you choose can completely change the personality of the project. Natural finishes emphasize grain, stains add color while preserving the appearance of wood, and paint allows you to create bold or coordinated home decor. The beauty of DIY woodworking is that you can customize almost everything. You can change dimensions, colors, shapes, textures, and finishes according to your home and personal taste. If your interior style is modern, consider clean lines, simple shapes, and smooth finishes. If you prefer rustic decor, reclaimed wood, visible grain, distressed finishes, and natural imperfections can create the desired atmosphere. For farmhouse-style interiors, lighter colors and simple decorative details can work beautifully. If you enjoy bohemian decor, try combining different wood tones, organic shapes, and handmade textures. The goal is not simply to copy another project, but to use an idea as inspiration and make it your own. Woodworking also provides an excellent opportunity to reduce waste. Many beautiful projects can be made from scrap wood that would otherwise be discarded. Small boards can become shelves, frames, coasters, signs, plant stands, candle holders, or decorative wall art. Saving useful offcuts and organizing them by size can help you discover new project possibilities later. This approach is not only economical, but also encourages creativity, because working with limited materials often challenges you to think differently. As you work on your projects, always remember that safety should come first. Wear appropriate eye protection when cutting, drilling, sanding, or using power tools. Keep your workspace clean and well organized, and make sure your tools are in good condition. Secure wood properly before cutting or drilling, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for power tools and finishing products. If you are a beginner, start with simple hand tools and gradually develop your skills as you become more comfortable. Good woodworking is not about working as quickly as possible. It is about working carefully, accurately, and safely. The most exciting part of woodworking is seeing a simple piece of wood change into something meaningful. A board that once looked ordinary can become a beautiful shelf, a decorative frame, a plant stand, a wall sculpture, or a useful organizer. Handmade pieces also bring a personal story into your home because you created them with your own hands. When friends and family see a handmade decoration, it can become a conversation piece and a reminder of your creativity. If you are thinking about creating woodworking projects that you can sell, easy home decor items can also provide inspiration. Small projects are often attractive because they require less material, can be easier to transport, and allow you to experiment with different designs. Personalized shelves, plant stands, signs, trays, frames, organizers, and wall decorations can all be adapted to different customer preferences. Creating several variations of the same basic design can help you develop your own recognizable style. As you continue learning, do not be afraid to experiment. Try combining different types of wood, mixing smooth and textured surfaces, or creating patterns from small pieces. You might discover that a design you originally considered too simple becomes beautiful after changing the finish or arrangement. Woodworking is a creative process, and mistakes can often become opportunities to learn. Instead of worrying about making everything perfect on the first attempt, focus on improving your skills with every project. Thank you so much for joining us in today's woodworking inspiration video. I hope these easy DIY woodworking projects have given you new ideas for creating beautiful home decor from simple pieces of wood. Remember, you do not need a huge workshop or expensive materials to begin creating. With patience, imagination, careful measurements, and a willingness to learn, even the smallest piece of wood can become something special. Whether you choose to make a floating shelf, picture frame, plant stand, wooden tray, wall art, key holder, candle holder, or another creative project, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and let your creativity guide you. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with other people who love woodworking and DIY home decor. Leave a comment and tell us which project inspired you the most, because your ideas can also inspire other woodworkers in our community. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep turning simple pieces of wood into beautiful handmade treasures. Until our next woodworking project, stay creative and enjoy making something beautiful with your own hands.